Hello, this is Peter Wrycza. I want to share with you about some workshops I'm going to be holding in Kiev from the 2nd to the 4th of April on the topic Conversations on the Edge of Silence and Generative Dialogue for individuals, couples, groups, teams and communities. We're going to be holding 5 workshops, the first on the 2nd in the evening from 6 to 9:30. Is introducing conversations on the edge of silence and generative dialogue for groups, and the applications in this new way of opening to the group field and unfolding the collective intelligence that's present within the group. The following evening we have a workshop that's introducing conversations on the edge of silence as a new way of working with people as individuals or couples. So we're going to be looking at conversations on the edge of silence as something that will transform the work of coaches, counselors, therapists, and all those who want to improve the quality of their listening and relating to others. The following evening, we're going to go deep into the process of repatterning, where we look at conversations on the edge of silence as a way of tuning into the life patterns of an individual, and we hope to give you an example of that process. Besides those 3 evening workshops, we've got 2 afternoon workshops. One is a special workshop for coaches, introducing conversations on the edge of silence as an approach to group supervision. So we're going to be looking at these conversations and generative dialogue as a way of developing reflective practice in coaches so that they're able better to tune into their own work and into the work of others. Finally, we have a personal development workshop on the 4th in the afternoon from 1 till 4 p.m, which is on inner dance. Inner dance is a new approach to releasing old stress and tension, relaxing, and unfolding the transformational energy that we all have inside us. For the benefit of our health, our well-being, our creativity, and our ability to become more and more the best person that we can be. Look forward to seeing you at one or all of those workshops if you're able to be in Kiev at that time. Thank you.